These energy balls are the perfect on-the-go healthy snack. They are a no-bake recipe that is super delicious and very healthy. Hey guys, I'm Justin from Cooking with Coit. And if you love this video, make sure you hit those like and subscribe buttons. Let's get started. First thing we're gonna do is add our oats to a mixing bowl. We're gonna do 1.25 cups. It doesn't have to be super exact. You just wanna make sure that you have at least 1 cup in there. 1.25 cups is a perfect amount because it keeps the balls from being too sticky and too soft. You need them to firm up a little bit. There's our oats. Next, we're gonna add 1/2 cup of peanut butter. I always add a little bit of extra peanut butter, just like I'm gonna do with the honey, because I find that, the peanut butter kind of stays in whatever you put it in. So let's add 1 more tablespoon. Next, we're gonna add 1/3 cup of the honey. I'm gonna take the whole cap off because this could take me like a year to pour out. There we go. All right, here's our 1/3 cup of honey. Okay, we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. One thing that I love about this recipe so much is how fast it comes together. It's literally just a couple minutes, and these are super basic ingredients you might already have in your house. And last, we're gonna add 1/2 cup of dark chocolate chips. You could use milk chocolate chips if you want. These are dark chocolate though, because that's my favorite. And now all we have to do is mix this together. Make sure that you give these a really good mix so that everything is well incorporated. So even though I added the peanut butter and I added a little bit extra, what I'm noticing is that the texture is a little too sticky. So I'm gonna go ahead and add, just to taste, a little bit more of these oats to sort of dry these balls out so they're not overly sticky. So just like a little bit more. That should be enough. Before you form these energy balls with your hands, if you're finding that the mixture just feels a little too sticky and that it's not like firm enough, you can pop these in the refrigerator for 20 or 30 minutes, let them firm up a little bit, and then make the balls after that. I also have to say, I'm very proud of myself that I have said the word balls like 20 times in this video and I haven't laughed once. I feel like I'm an adult and I'm very mature.
Because we've done this so many
times. Yes, I know. But normally if you said the word balls in a video, it would probably make you laugh and you'd turn your face red a little bit, but we're professionals. All right, now we're gonna be forming the balls with our hands. Anyway, now we're gonna be forming the balls with our hands. The goal here is to make about a 1-inch ball and then form it with your hands and then give it a little bit of a rub. We're professionals. Sorry. Okay, the first thing that I like to do is really compact them down. So I do this type of deal, and then I give them a little bit of roll, just like this. And what you should be left with is roughly like a ping pong ball size energy ball. This recipe makes anywhere between 8 and 12 energy balls. It obviously depends on how big you make them. All right, these energy balls are ready to go. So you could serve them just as is, or you can pop them in the fridge and let them firm up a little bit more and serve them later. I'm gonna give them a taste now, but before I do, if you've loved this recipe and you wanna see more just like it, check out my healthy recipes playlist. These energy balls are so delicious. They have such good vibes of like a oatmeal chocolate chip cookie. I know you guys are gonna love them. This is such a quick recipe. I hope you give it a try. I'll see you in the next video.